Quick tip on Marretting or wire knotting 3 wires together or more. The plastic sheathing should be even. Don't worry about the tips, how they're different lengths. Keep this even, and then when you twist them together, the plastic sheathing stays pretty even. Cut it off, put your wire nut on, and then the shoulder of the plastic wire nut covers all the plastic sheathing, so it's a lot safer. Another troublesome wiring issue is stranded to solid copper. If you wrap it around and make sure that the stranded part is beyond the copper, solid copper, when you marrette that together, it'll prevent that stranded wire from being driven down by the thread of the wire nut. So this little tug here tells me that it's well done, solid, and the shoulder covers all the sheathing. Peace out. Another cool feature on these wire strippers is if you have a screw that's too long, there's a 632 and 832 size, which is typical electrical screws. Your length is determined by the center of the cutter. So once you know what length you need, you thread it to that point, you cut it, and pull it out, and you've got perfect thread. Another cool thing on this tool, these holes, that is made to make a little curve for your little loop for